Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today natukwata question etutefoya turekeshepo. It is under geometric progression in paper 2, and this question carries good number of marks, 7 marks. It is given that the geometric progression we have 4, 2 and 1, so these are the sequence. Find the seventh term. Find the seventh term and you get 2 marks. Remember, to understand first term without wasting much of our time, we say Tn is equal to A R n minus 1. That is the formula we are going to use. Now, we have A, which is the first term. In this case, it is 4. Now, tatukwete the value of R, which is the common ratio. So we say R is equal to T2 over T1. R is equal to T2 is the second term. So the second term here is 2. Over the first term is 4. And we reduce it, we are going to have 1 over 2 as the value of R. Then we can come here. We say T7 is equal to 4, open bracket. What is R? R is 1 over 2. What is N? N is 7th term. Minus 1. Then we have 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 raised to the power 6. So we have 4 times 1 to the power 6 is still 1 over 2 to the power 6. You can use your calculator. It's not a forcing matter. 2 to the power 6, you get 64. So here you say 64. And 4 times 1, 4 over 64. Now you can reduce. 4 into 4 is 1. And 4 into 64, that is 16. So this is the answer. Therefore, kusanga 7th term. Therefore, kusanga number sum of the first 9 terms. And you get 3 marks. Number twalasanga shan. Muri topic twakwata sum of the nth term, twakwata formulas yabiri. Kwa debe tubomvya where R is greater than 1. Where R is less than 1. Now the value of R is 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 is less than 1. So to allow the right formula, which is sum of the nth term is equal to A, open bracket, 1 minus R to the power n, close bracket, over 1 minus R. So this is the right formula you can use if the value of R is less than 1. Now we are told some of the first 9 terms. You say, what is A? A is the first term. You get 4. Open bracket, 1 minus. What is R? R is half to the power 9 because that's the nth term, over 1 minus half, like that. We continue to say this is 4, open bracket, 1 minus 1 to the power 9 is over 1 minus half. You still get half. From there we can work out here. You say 4, open bracket. Now pokusange to avoid wasting much of our time, you just say 512 minus 1, you get 511 over 512, like that, divided by half, 1 over 2. From there you can reduce this. You can reduce this. 4 here is 1. 4 into 512, you get your calculator. 512 divided by 4, you get 128. So we have 511 over 128 times 2 over 1. Then you can also reduce. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 64. So we have 511 over 60. You can conclude. You can leave the answer in this fraction, or you leave it in decimal points. You say 511 divided by 64. You are getting 7.984375. Then you go to the instructions. It says you can leave the answer in 3 significant figures or in 2 decimal places. So we say 7.98 as our answer. Find the geometric mean of 196 and 15625 and you get 2 marks. Apata pa inafia kupose nshita, you say geometric mean is equal to the square root of A multiplied by B. So A can be this one. We say the square root of 196 multiplied by 15625. From there, you get your calculator. It's not a forcing matter. You're getting 30, 62, 500. Then you come here. You say square root of the answer, and you press equal sign. So we have 1750. So we have 1750 as our answer. This is how we can answer that question. No need of wasting time.